I set it free. Love is a pain, so don't rush or jump into a relationship, because you might cry for not losing while everything have gone. Set it free what need to go, so that you can get what need to come. You love and enjoy traveling, but why you can't let your heart travel to find a true love for you? They used to say love is like a glass. It's easy to break, but it's hard to be fixed. I'm not talking to she, I'm not talking to he, I'm talking to you all. He break your heart many times, still you don't want to let it go, still you don't want to set it free. Are you happy to be a punching bag for money? Do you want to be in the list of those died because of abuse? Your face have navy spots because of being beaten every single day, and you still call that love. You still call it true love, but it's a fake love. You was a wife before, but now you are the slave, working 24/7 without getting paid. You say you have the rights, but still we don't see the change. You say let's stop violence, but you know back in the home, violence is your victim. We are tired of your fake smile because of fake love. You pray for the better change, but you don't take a step. You didn't come automatical in this world, so why do you want things happen in automatical? It started as a real love to real people, but now she turned you into a violence man, and you allow it. Don't you know that this will end in blood? This will take out someone's soul. If she can't provide what you want, tell her to go by not laying any finger on her body. Don't promise her to change while you know it is hard to do so. You haven't changed since your childhood, so why you will change now? Instead of making false hopes, tell her the truth. Are you happy to see her cry for the same reason? You know she is not the one, so why are you trying to change her to the one? Then set her free. Why are you cheating instead of telling her to go? Most of us are fooled by friends. If you are in a relationship, leave a friend who is single. If you are married, leave a friend that is unmarried, because those people don't understand the state you in. Those people want to have what you have by taking what you own. So if you want to build a family, if you want to build the love, chase away those friends so that you can see the change, so that you can see which is better between when they are present and when they are not. Stop breaking others' heart like you break the savannah bottle, because when you have find what is inside the bottle, you break it. You didn't think about recycling it for others. Stop playing others' minds like you changed the TV. Know that the car can go a long distance than you can, but it still need to be controlled by you to go far. So why you can't do the same in your relationship? Why you can't be a driver that driving your relationship to the success? Stop comparing your relationship to others, because that is the emotional abuse to your partner. You don't want to let her go. You spend thousands to marry her. So what about you? You didn't spend any cent. Why you don't let her go? And who told you to buy her? Because you can spend thousands, but you can't buy love. There are many people out there who are happy married, but didn't spend a cent into their marriage, because they don't want to force each other to stay, and they are providing the true love than the love that have spent thousands. Set is free, because you are the hero to save your life. So what about love? Well, love doesn't need desperate people. So don't be desperate for love, because it's gonna end with tears, and it can take someone's life because of fake love. So are you ready to set it free?